welcome to my channel. And first of all, I would like to thank you all of my subbies for your support, and I wish all of you are doing well. Today I have a little unboxing to share with you. This item I just picked it up 2 days ago, and my essay had been reserved for me for a long time, and finally it arrived. And she called me and she said it's at the store, so I can come and pick it up. I'm so excited and to share with you. And this is the box, and this is the back, and this is the box. This is they come, you know, as you know, Chanel always have very pretty packaging, and you know, she leave the long ribbon for me so I can make the hair tie for my daughter. Okay, I have a little girl, so I can make this one into the bowl and put on her to create a hair tie for her. And it's in there. And this is the box. I think the Chanel have changed the box, the style of the box. It's usually they have a magnetic, but now they go like this. I don't know if it's because the small one, or I don't know, but this is how it is. And this is the one, and it comes in the dust bag, like the string dust bag like this. And where my receipt? Where she put my receipt? I think. Where did she put my receipt? No, she put. And here we go. This is called Vanity case bag with the handle, and she told me this how I can store my bag, like wrap around with the chain, and so I don't leave the chains on the leather, so it won't damage the leather. And this is in beige color, lambskin beige color with the gold, like antique gold hardware. And this is the not the mini size, the small size. And on the bottom had no feet, and this have a handle, and the chains is on both sides, not removable and not adjustable. And in the middle you see the woven leather in the middle, you know, the classic chains on the classic flap. And the zipper have two little pull on both sides, and the leather is very smooth. And inside, oh, here the receipt. And this is the receipt. This is the booklet, and this is the receipt. And this is the retail for. This is I got it before the price had go up, and $2,175 plus tax. And she called me and I said, yeah, I get it, but I didn't pick it up because I have to go out of town. So she kept it up for me, so I picked it up 2 days ago. And this is the tag if you're interested in it. This is from 21A collection. Oh, sorry, maybe the light is happening. Okay, if you can see it. I'm sorry. And in the back is $2,175. It's in beige color. And let's put that aside. And inside, this is the authenticity card. What do you call this one? This one, 31A series. and this is a card, and inside they are all cotton leather, cotton lining, and we have 3 card slots on the back and 1 slot for the lipstick holder right there. The lining is look like a silk, you know, very shiny silk, and on the side is the barcode, stamp barcode right there. You can see it right there, and here they say Chanel made in France. Okay, and this is how it looks on my body, and I'm not a tall person, it's kind of petite person. Oh, what's wrong with the handle? Oh, okay, it's okay. And you can see it's right, it fit me right at the hip. It's not too long and not too short. If you're taller than me, it's maybe it's short for you. But if I put on my shoulder, it's right here. It's perfect for me. It's very light, and so I can see. I think if I can use this one to wrap around the top like this, that will be pretty. And I will try to see how it turn out. But now I can show you another vanity bag that I have from Chanel a few months ago. This is from the same thing, but this one the same size, but there are no handle. And this in the Camellia pattern, lambskin, but in Camellia flower pattern. And on they have a Chanel in here, on the Chanel here. I still have a sticker. I didn't take it out yet because they only use, I think, twice. Okay, I see anything. Okay, no, nothing damaged. It scared me, and because you know I'm not a big fan of lambskin. Okay, I'm really scared if I damage it. And the chains on this one have a flower, Camellia flower right here. This one doesn't have it, but this is in the champagne, shiny champagne gold hardware, and this is like antique gold, as you can see the difference. Okay, both of them is the same size, but this one, the only difference is this one, the handle and the chains is stay in one place, but this one it will move, see, like that. And sometimes this is pretty, but sometimes is I have to adjust the flower, because like flower they go down here like that, like all the way here, so I just have to adjust it. But if I want to adjust, I have to open it and adjust it. It's easy to adjust. So now I will tell you, I will let you see how many things that can fit in here, what can fit in here, because you know it have 3 card slot here, but I didn't use the card slot on the black one, because I have the card holder. And this is how many items I have. I have Hermes Barn compact wallet. This is the wallet I love. I have been using this for almost a year now. Since I have it, I never changed out to any different one. Even I did purchase some new wallet, but I didn't change it. I didn't bother to change it, and I love this one, and I plan to get another one in different color because I love it so much. And you see it fit. I have a Hermes card by I don't know, I forgot the name. It's from Hermes, the card holder. When you slide out, the card come out like that. It's very thin. It's in here. And I have the mask that I carry all the time just in case I need it. I know now if you have vaccinated and you don't have to wear a mask, but I just for me, I still wear mask and just for safety. Even and I put in here, and oh, I have my pen. This is a Tiffany pen. It's a very small one, and I always keep it in the pouch, so in case the ink get leaked out, so it won't damage my bag. But so far I have this one for 5 years now, and so far it won't leak. And this one's Tiffany, and I put it on the bottom. Okay, and I have my wallet. I have my lipstick, lip Lacoste from Hermes, and my lip is very dry, so I need it right here. And I still have room, and I have a wet wipe for hand sanitizer, and I put this at where the card slot is. Just like that. And usually I carry 2 just in case I need it. It's perfect to put on this card slot like that. And I have my pill that I carry Tylenol all the time just in case I need it, because I get a headache frequently. And this is the corn pouch that I have. This is from Japan, and this is like silicone, and it's very soft and it's really cute. I love it, and it's tiny, so I can put in all of my small bag. You see, this bag is small but fit a lot. I still have more room to put something else. I can put my key and my phone too, but this one, it fit my phone. I using my phone to film it, so but it fit. I have my phone, I have a 10XS, and even I try my daughter phone, is iPhone 12, it fit perfectly. Yeah. And the zipper is very smooth, and here I'll show you. That is not heavy at all, and that's how it looks with all the stuff in there. And I love the handle. I love the handle, and because I love this one so much, so I want to get the beige color, the one in beige color. So when my SA sent me the picture of this one, and I wish it's in caviar, this will be better because I don't have to worry, but they don't have any in caviar, they only have in lambskin. So I said, yep, I take it. That's how it is. And the measurement for this bag is, let me show you the height. The height for this bag is 4 inches, and is at 10 centimeters. So you can see. And the length of the bag is 6.5 centimeters. Is around about 6.5 inches, around 16.5 centimeters. And the width of this bag is 3.5 inch, is around 8 centimeters. And I'm so happy that I can get this bag, and because this strap is not movable, is not removable, and it won't move, so I don't have to worry, like, because I'm not this one, they keep moving it, and you know, and so I afraid I will damage the leather on the strap. But this one, the chains, it won't like move, they stay at one place, so I don't have to worry. And I wish this one they make with the handle, it would be perfect. Yep. And that's it for today for this bag. How do you think about this one? I really love it. I know I will have a lot of use of this one because I don't carry a lot of stuff, so I love this one, and especially with the handle, I love it. So cute, and it's tiny, but it fits a lot, and it's so cute. And thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. And please, if you have any comment, and please put on in the question, if you have any questions, please put in the comment below. I will try to answer you the best as I can. And thank you, and you have a wonderful day, and bye bye. I hope to see you in next video. Thank you.